Hey guys, wanted to share with you my favorite hair oil. It's a Mayraki Botanical Hair Oil. As you can see, my hair is very long. It's very bleached out, but I really wanted that long blonde hair with that thickness still. I love this because it's an anti-breakage by 90%. It's made out of plant extracts, 72 hours nourishment, and it just works so well. It's great for damaged, dull hair, giving you that shine you might be looking for. And it's so simple to use. So 1 to 2 pumps. You don't need a ton because it is so moisturizing and it goes a long way. I like to put it in my hands, and then all I like to do is just give my hair a nice feel here. The smell is really great. It's a nice pleasant smell, and then I just like to go through my ends. So I try to stay towards my drier parts. If I get up here, it can get a little bit greasy, just because your hair's natural oils sit up there. I'm gonna dry it, and then I want to show you the end result because it's gonna give you that great shine you might be looking for. All right, now that I'm done, I just want to share that I absolutely love it. Take a look. It's just thick. It's strong. This product has been a game changer for me. If you are looking for a really great product, I definitely recommend this one because not only is it good for wet hair, you can also use it in that dry hair for getting that shine you're looking for too. So no need to rinse it out after you throw it in dry hair. It just gives you that perfect shine you're looking for without it being overly greasy or anything. But definitely recommend this product, and it's very easy to use.